right, now we're gonna go ahead and move to eyeshadows. I'm just gonna show you one way. Of course, there's a million ways. There's lots of different colors. But I am using Determined, which is a shimmer, Residual, which is also a shimmer, and then for eyebrows and eyeliner, I'm gonna use Jet Set. So, I'm gonna start with this brush that says eyeshadow on it. Remember your misting spray. And I'm gonna start with Residual, and I'm just gonna put some on my brush. And this is called foiling. So I'm gonna put it on my brush, it's pretty wet, and you're just gonna kind of brush it on. And if you need to add more spray, that's fine too. I kind of like to do this one a little bit on the wet side. And I'm gonna go all the way up to underneath my eyebrow. All right, next we're going to go to our blending brush, or what I call a crease brush, and we're gonna go to the Determined, the darker color, and I just apply it in my crease. So wet your brush, pat it off on the back of your hand, apply some of the Determined, and then you can tap it off. You can tap it off in your lid. And then I just start at the kind of corner and go about halfway in and then down right here. And then you just want to make tiny circles and blend it well. Blending is key. You gotta make sure you make these faces like this. And then I'm gonna do the same for the next eye. And make sure you tap it off on the back of your hand. And again, see that? Like, don't worry about that. I'm gonna take where I did my concealer and just brush it off. All right. Now we're gonna move on to eyeliner. And we just came out with this brand new awesome eyeliner brush. It has a pointy end and it has an angled end. This is my favorite kind of eyeliner brush to use, so I'll use this one. Now, this is how I do my eyeliner. I take the top of my Jet Set. You also got in your kit, you got some of these, a couple of these. One is for your lip liner and one is for your eyeliner. So you can unscrew this, and then you're gonna spray a little bit of your misting spray into there, and then you're gonna add your powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix directly in my lid, since that's what I already do. And you always wanna make sure you clean your brush after this, because it'll get stuck in your brush. Okay, and you just want to add enough powder to get a good consistency of a liquid liner. I like mine a little bit thicker, but you do whatever you're used to. All right, so you're just going to take this . All right, and in the center, I'm just gonna flip my brush over so the pointy end's up. Alright, so that's it for your eyeliner. You can also use this eyeliner dry. And a little tip, while I'm doing my makeup, I always keep these handy just to wipe off my brush.